How to store luggage in Copenhagen cheap and easy. My honest review and user experience. Traveling through Copenhagen is amazing, but nothing ruins a trip faster than dragging heavy bags around the city. I faced this problem after checking out of my Airbnb, and I needed a safe, affordable place to store my luggage for the day. After trying a few options, here's my honest review and what actually worked. Most people get this wrong. They assume you have to leave your bags at the train station. While Copenhagen Central Station does have lockers, they fill up quickly and prices can be high for larger suitcases. The surprising truth is, third-party luggage storage services like Luggage or Bounce offer way more flexibility. I booked storage through Luggage for about €5 per bag for 24 hours. Process was incredibly simple. I chose a nearby cafe that partnered with the service, dropped off my bags, and got a QR code for security. The whole thing took less than 2 minutes. The best part, my bags were insured up to €500 each, something most lockers don't provide. I could explore Nyhavn, the Little Mermaid, and Tivoli Gardens completely worry-free. If you're on a tight budget, lockers at major metro stations can work too. Prices start at around 60 Danish kroner for small lockers, and you pay more for larger ones. Just remember, you'll need coins or Danish card. Not all machines accept foreign credit cards. In my experience, using a luggage storage app was cheaper, faster and safer. You can book online, find a location near your route, and avoid wasting time searching for lockers. In short, if you're visiting Copenhagen and need to store your luggage, skip the hassle. Go digital, find a trusted storage partner, and enjoy the city hands-free. It's cheap, secure, and incredibly convenient.